Now let's try another example of the metric progression, this time the one that's a little more difficult because it uses negative exponents and decimals. But it still works the same way. I want to go from 0.065 centiseconds, there's centi, and we can put seconds as one of the standards, and I want to go all the way from here up to milliseconds or kiloseconds. I'm telling you, you need to go to the standard first. Here's the standard measurement. And then go to kilo instead of going in one full swoop, because down the road we always will need to go to the standard. I start with 0.065 centiseconds, and I want to get rid of centi. So I know that mathematically I'm going to need to divide by centi, and I want to go to my standard, which is seconds. So I put seconds on top. If I consider seconds, it is a bigger unit than centiseconds. See that? It's bigger. Therefore, the number with it is smaller, so I give it a 1. Centiseconds is smaller. By how many multiples of 10? 1, 2. So I put 10 squared down here. Okay, notice I keep this as positive as I can. Centiseconds cancel. Now, I can go to my kiloseconds. From here, I can go to kiloseconds. Seconds is in the numerator. Therefore, if I multiply by my conversion factor, seconds has to be in the bottom, because they're going to cancel. And milliseconds is going to be at the top. What's the relationship? I look over here. Kilo is bigger than seconds. Therefore, the number with it is smaller. 1. Seconds is smaller. Therefore, the number with it is bigger. By how much? 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. Each step is a multiple of 10. 10 to the third. Okay, and now seconds cancel. So I have 0.065 times 1 divided by these exponents. So let's just keep them together down here. When I multiply exponents, I have to add the superscript. So on the bottom here, I'm going to get 10 to the 5th in kiloseconds. Because this is in the denominator, I don't want it down here. 1, according to exponents, is the same measurement as 10 to the 0. It's 0 multiples of 10. I have a division problem here. I have 10 to the 0 divided by 10 to the 5th. When you divide exponents, you subtract the superscript. So I would get 0.065 times 10 to the 0 minus 5 is 10 to the minus 5 kiloseconds. So I'm almost ready for my answer. I want to put that answer in scientific notation. Scientific notation says that my number must be greater than 1, less than 10. But I can take this and make it 6.5. 6.5 is greater than 1, less than 10. How did I do it? Well, my number got bigger. By how much? 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places. Since the number got bigger by 2 places, my exponent must get smaller by 2 places. So I take 10 and I go minus 5 minus 2 more places is minus 7 kiloseconds. And that is my final answer.